Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making Jamaican Toto. I'm using dark brown sugar, grated coconut, coconut milk, all-purpose flour, cooking oil, rose water, salt, nutmeg, vanilla, baking soda and baking powder. In a bowl I'm going to place the flour, then add the baking powder, baking soda, salt and nutmeg. Use a whisk to combine those. Once you've done that, then it's time to add the dark brown sugar. Add the sugar, combine, and then add the grated coconut. Make sure that that's combined very well. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients: rose water, vanilla, coconut oil and coconut milk. Add the coconut milk gradually, making sure that you incorporate that very well. The batter will be very thin, that's okay. Once done, then pour into a greased and floured baking tin, and then knock the pan to get rid of excess bubbles and bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes. Once done, then use a toothpick to test it. It comes out clean. Then use a knife to pull it away from the sides of the tin. Place on a cooling rack and then cut into the desired slices. Let's have a look at the texture. It's a moist cake. It's very fluffy and you can serve that with lemonade or limeade or as a dessert. This video is dedicated to Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Baillie. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.